Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, today I decided I had plenty of extra vegetables out of the garden, and cost of dog food has just been really crazy. So I made some dog food for canning to put on the shelf for emergencies. And inside this, I have some venison that was in the freezer. You can hear the hot cans popping over here. I just pulled these out of the canning machine, canner, and they've been in there for 90 minutes. And that's what a jar of dog food looks like. It's got venison. It has broccoli in it, carrots. It's got zucchini. There's some squash in there. And of course, a little bit of the canning salt because, in order to can it, you got to have the canning salt. So went ahead and made dog food. And actually, it tasted pretty good. We couldn't help ourselves. It really is. It's you know where it's coming from. You know it's healthy. It's got lots of vitamins from all the different vegetables, proteins from the meats, and I can set this stuff on a shelf forever. And for what it cost me to make one of these, I mean it's well below half the price of a can of dog food now. So, and if you take a quick look, it's get out of the shadow here. That's not half bad. You see the pieces of meat over here, and the carrots, and the broccoli, and yeah, just it's a good little deal. So let's see if he likes it. This is his first time having it. Come here, Bean. Let's give you some doggy food here, bud. See what you think. Are you on that? That's yours. No, that's yours. I got the other dog food. No, it's not yours. You don't eat that anyways. That's for the rabbit. You gonna come over and say hello? Come on, babies. Come get your dinner. He likes it. He usually waits for the rabbit. Rabbit's right here. There he goes. That's Twitch. His mama brought him to my door last winter. He was just a baby bunny, just barely fit in your hand, and he was all tore up from something. And the mother brought him to me, and she just disappeared shortly thereafter. And he's been an indoor rabbit. He's potty trained, fully lovable, and the dog is. We've had him. I don't know. I'm going to tell you 6 weeks now. He was a puppy when we got him. Mama was hit by a car. He's a pug poodle. Pugapoo. Pugapoo. So anyways, looks like they're enjoying their dinner. So if you're thinking about saving a little bit of money, I'm sure you got some meat or something in your freezer. It's probably almost freezer burned or ready to go. Or you come across some discounts. You can use chicken, pork, beef, turkey. It doesn't really matter. And I also put rice inside here. That was some of the filler. That was white rice. So that's between the let's see, rice, broccoli, carrots, zucchini. I had some squash in there, and cucumber, green beans. And there was green beans in there. So it tastes just like a stew, but it's got all the nutrients a dog needs. So I hope you enjoyed. If anybody wants to know how it works or the recipe, just leave a message and I'll send it back to you. Have a good night. I think it's time for me to go ahead and make some zucchini relish. I got plenty of zucchini here, so I'll make some relish, and I'm also going to make some zucchini bread. I'm going to go to a wedding here on Saturday, so I'll take 5-6 loaves. So it's getting late, and everybody have a good night. Thanks for coming by.